This is part 2 of the teardown of the 84 Shovelhead. We got inspired last weekend by the custom invitational put on by the Ton Magazine. Chop Colt and Lowbrow Customs.
Long end as hell.
Maybe we should invest in a ratcheting wrench.
I haven't. It's right there. I didn't think the bolt was this long. We need to do it again then. Get the ratchet wrench.
As you can tell, we like to have fun in our garage.
How long that bolt is.
Don't worry, the arthritis is acting up. If you guys out there in YouTube land are falling asleep, me too.
Look how long it is. We have to do another one.
It's perfect. This is a real struggle.
Oh, fuck. Shit. It's coming out now. Fucker. Look at this fucking bolt. Still going.